Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you the U.S. History Student Video Dictionary, where to find it, and a few ways you can use it. Here we go. So if you don't know what these are short video overviews of each U.S. history standard in the state of Georgia. And if you don't know where to find them, it is a place you've hopefully been to recently, but may not have. georgiastandards.org, right? So if you can't click anything and you're not watching this in a place where you can click on something, georgiastandards.org, the U.S. history page. To keep scrolling down, a lot of good resources, but that's not what this video is about. We are talking about this right here, okay? So you just click on it and it will take you there. So the U.S. History Student Video Dictionary has one per standard, so you can scroll down and see all of them. But I'm going to take you back to the presentation real quick and talk about a few ways to use it, and then I'll take you back there, I promise. So just like with any videos you use in your class, you can use them as preview or as review. So say you're going to start a unit or start a standard, you could give students a preview of the overall sort of big picture stuff, or you could use it to review in order to reinforce content. You could also show pieces of this depending on if students, based off of data points or whatever, you could tell them watch this particular part, or just a small part of a larger video if they don't need to review the entire standard in itself. And I'm going to show you a cool YouTube function that you can use to help with that. And as always, what are other ways you can use? All right. So let me show you the YouTube function real quick before I, in the video here. So let's say you're going over standard 1 and you realize that students are struggling with, let's say, the New England colonies. So you're going to go to YouTube, you're going to click on that. And then if you didn't know this, so let's find where it starts in New England. So let's say that's just where New England starts. You can actually click share and you have the ability to click right there. So if New England starts at 206 and you have students that are having trouble with New England, you can actually get them to start right at the 206 mark. So you may have already known this trick, but I just wanted to make sure I shared it. Okay, so just quick review. So we talked about the U.S. History Student Video Dictionary at georgiastandards.org. We looked at what they were and how to find them. And then I gave you a few examples of how you can use them. Hope it helps. Thanks.